Today I'm going to unbox the Qiyi 3x3x3. I have another cuboid. It's a 2x2x3. And if you saw the funny fail video, you would know what happened, but it got fixed. It's basically similar to this one. If you notice how this one, you basically notice how this one, except you need to know how to insert the corners on this one. So let's get started with the unboxing. So here it is. Pamphlet. Yeah, I don't really need it. Just how to solve it. And then here's the puzzle. First turns. This is actually really smooth. There's some spring noise in it, but that's fine because if you put some movement in it, it'll just fix it. Yeah, this is really smooth. I heard it can corner cut. Yeah, it can. It's not too much, but what do you expect from a cuboid anyway? The shades, they're pretty standard from Qiyi. This is a weird red and blue. Then the others are just like regular. Oh, this is like, the top layer is loose. Let's see how many turns, how many moves I can do with it. Okay, that's a U2. Almost a U3. That's a U3. That's another U3. Yeah, this is just really loose. But it's pretty smooth. I'm gonna do a solve right now. I don't have the timer with me right now, so I'm just gonna solve it. So, okay. There we go. Some lockups, but that's fine for me. Oh wait, and I think I got parity, but that's fine. And that's done. That was a pretty good solve. Yeah, I definitely recommend this. It's only $6 on the Cubicle. And it's a really fun puzzle to solve. And if you notice all this one, you notice all the 3x3x4 and the 3x3x5. Except if you solve the 3x3x5, if it shapeshifts, then you don't really know how to solve it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. I just want to get 50 subscribers. If I get 50 subscribers before the end of the year, I'll do a face reveal. And about 1 month later from now, I'll probably do a really big unboxing on my channel. Yeah. It's probably going to be about a Ready Minx or 8 Petals Cube or something like that. And probably a new 3x3. So yeah, smash the like and subscribe. Bye.